Okay, it's my day off and I've been doing some DIY construction in my office. So I took this green tablecloth and some hemp and a curtain rod and some clippy rings. So now I have my very own green screen. Isn't this awesome? I did this all by myself with shit I had in my office. Let's see, what else can I do? I can be at the Golden Gate Bridge, in the grass. Ooh, outer space. I kind of like them too. I don't know. I could get some. Oh, there's so many possibilities with this. And if I turn it off, there's a stain on the tablecloth. It's probably food. Don't get gross. Now that I've graduated college, this is what I do, guys.